Hello, my name is Shayna Zabo, and I'm a librarian with LA County Library. You are invited to join our 2021 Spring and Summer Discovery Program running until August 8th. Stick around until the end of this video for directions on how to sign up and how to pick up a free Summer Discovery take-home activity kit that goes along with this video. Now let me show you how to use our Shake, Tap, and Fun kit for ages 0 to 5. Did you know that rhythm is an early literacy skill? Singing nursery rhymes and tapping or clapping the syllables breaks words into smaller pieces, making them easier to learn, say, and even write. Shake it up with Baby Band. Encourage baby to explore rhythm by letting them shake the instrument while you sing a nursery rhyme. Babies won't be able to create rhythm just yet, but will have a great time making noise. You can introduce rhythm by bouncing baby on your lap while you sing or say a rhyme. Shake it up with names. Hold the instrument and shake the syllables in your child's name. Guide your toddler to shake the syllables in their name. Shake it up with bread, butter, marmalade, and jam. Say bread, butter, marmalade, and jam. Shake the egg as high as you can. Let your child follow the directions and then assist if needed. Repeat rhyme, but switch out the word high for different options. Try variations using opposites like high, low, fast, slow, quiet, loud. Want some books that go well with this kit? Check out our catalog at lacountylibrary.org for digital and physical books like these. Kits like this one can be picked up at your local LA County Library location while supplies last. Visit our website to find a library near you. You can pick up paper versions of the Spring Summer Discovery Program or check out our website to sign up digitally. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.